Exploring the phrase, summer bounty. Hello, everyone. Today we're diving into an interesting English phrase, summer bounty. This phrase is not just about the words, but about the imagery and emotions they evoke. Let's explore what it means and how you can use it in everyday English. Summer bounty refers to the abundance or plentiful supply of something good and desirable, especially related to summer. The word bounty suggests generosity and plenty. When combined with summer, it often relates to natural produce like fruits and vegetables, or can imply a general sense of richness and fullness associated with the summer season. Let's look at some examples. 1. The farmer's market was full of summer bounty, with fresh tomatoes, berries, and peaches. 2. Our garden's summer bounty included a variety of herbs and flowers. In these examples, summer bounty is used to describe an ample and varied collection of fresh, seasonal produce. You can use this phrase to express appreciation for summer's natural gifts. For example, I love this time of year with its summer bounty of fruits and vegetables. The summer bounty makes me feel grateful for nature's generosity. The phrase often carries positive connotations. It reflects appreciation for nature, the abundance of natural produce in summer, seasonal joy, the happiness and warmth associated with summer. Summer bounty is a beautiful phrase that encapsulates the richness and generosity of the summer season. It's a reminder of nature's gifts and the joy they bring. I hope you found this exploration helpful and that you can use this phrase to add color and warmth to your English conversations. Happy learning!